You will often need to solve the problems with shorted wires or the wires which are not connected to each other. Therefore, in AutoCAD Electrical, it is possible to check a wire segment or highlight the wires of wire network. I mean that you can follow the wires segment by segment automatically and solve the problem. Okay, now let's see an example together. First of all, I have opened a demo drawing, for instance, to just trace and check the wires. Here from the Edit Wires Wire Numbers panel, select the Check Trace Wire tool. Take a look at command line. I will be prompted to select wire segment. So I select the wire which I intend to trace and check. Choose it then to see the rest of wires which are connected to it, or in the other hand, in wire network and command line, many options are available. To trace the wire step by step, just press space. As you can see, the first segment have been displayed and this wire is connected to chosen wire which is a part of this network. Again, I press space and the other one, and again. The other connected wires have been shown. This was the method of checking or tracing wire segment by segment. Now I'm gonna show all the wires of network simultaneously. So the other option A, which stands for all segments in the command line, can do it. I press A and then the all segments are displayed here and are in blue color. To pan or zoom the chosen wire, you can write P or Z. When you enter P, the cursor will change to pan, and by left clicking on the screen, you can move the screen. Now I'm going to zoom on the screen. To do that, you need to exit the pan mode and back to the previous step. So by pressing enter, it can be done. Now in the command line, you can see the zoom command, and by entering Z, it will change to zoom mode. Keep the left click of your mouse and then move it, and it can be done. Now I'm going to exit the command, so I press escape. To show you another example, I just want to cut this wire from the network and see the result in the wire trace. Therefore, I select here the tool, and I'm gonna choose the disconnected wire. Here I press A to show all segments, and here you can see the disconnected wire is not part of the selected wire, which means that this wire that had been separated. This was the procedure how to trace or check wires in a